Why do business with MedicareQuote4U.com? Here are just a couple of reasons. We are current on laws that affect you in regards to Medicare. We have years of experience in the Medicare industry. We have all the options that will fit your needs. We have dedicated, licensed insurance professionals waiting to help you. Whether you are in the Learn section, the Quote section, or the Apply section, or you are a returning customer with a question or concern, we are here to help. You can contact us by click to call, click to chat, or by calling our 800 number. Our application process is great. You can download, fill out, and email back an application. You can apply online, or have us mail you an application with return postage. Either way, we want to make it as easy as possible for you. We want to help.